So when I came, but I got transfer, I thought that, oh, this is the bank yeah, norms and this is the job I have to do. If I will learn means I will manage, if I will not learn means that also I will have to manage. So when I came, that I thought that where I will go, not go, that journal office given, already they prepared that, they allotted me the Villupuram branch, but I have no idea that where is Villupuram and how branch is this. So nearby Bellore cluster, one senior manager was there, he was from Bihar. So I asked her, Villupuram branch is, how is this branch? So he told, why you are taking this branch? So that time I got fear, something problem in this branch. So he told me that, oh, this is high NPA branch. So you are, my wife also checked. When I informed Naki, I got Villupuram branch. He was in the branch. She was in the branch. So immediately she checked the business position. I told, hey, why you are giving big NPA is there? So you told to the DGM and revert back your transfer. So I told, no, already pre-decided. So all are coming, just they are giving the letter and thanks they are telling and we are coming. So that mentally I thought, okay, I am coming, what I will do first, I will report to the branch, then I will decide what we have to do. So when I came, that service only, but attaching with all. But one plus point was here that all are the young team. Actually banking I know. Last 10 years I am doing the banking, in banking I know. Only language is the issue. So I thought if I will continuously, I will work in this branch, means if nothing I will do, but I will do. Suppose here all things are negative. If we are doing nothing, if not bad thing we are doing, something we are doing, means definitely some positive figure will come. So last year also some positive figure was there when we ended the March. That time positive. When I joined, that time the figure was NPA 7.70 crore, and the March ended 6.90. After more slippage, this much figure. Otherwise, minimum below 1 crore NPA we can reduce. But some agriculture and some more big NPA happened due to this only. 40 lakhs we reduced according to the branch figure. But after my joining, if you will see the figure, means 80 lakhs below from the March, below from my joining. And that advances also positive figure is started. This year I targeted that, so minimum 2 crore I will reduce the NPA. Here my main target was the reducing the NPA and good advances. Suppose one side we are giving the good advance and on one side we are reducing the NPA. So that means it will be better. Here this branch only we are making the provision only. Only we are making the loss only. So we are not generating the asset and only we are making the loss. Actually here staff, sufficient staff is here. Main market branch is all expenses, AC is here, and that big premises is there, electricity all big. If you calculate, means we are doing nothing here. Not our mistake. Previously somebody did mistake and we are suffering. So but we cannot blame to anyone. Actually we come to the ground, means we have to play. What my previous player did, that is not an issue. But we have to win the match. This is my thing. So but what, this is unexpected that within 1 year they transferred me from here. But no problem, this is the part of the job. This new manager is coming, how long he will be stay here, that I don't know. Actually he is coming for only the completing his semi-year 1 tenure. He was eligible for the scale 4 promotion. So due to non-completion of the semi-year 1 tenure, so he cannot apply for the scale 4 promotion. So he told me only 1 year required for the applying for the scale 4 promotion. So maybe next year he will be promoted and he will leave this branch. So my intention is telling that business doing or not doing, this is the branch manager decision. But my side, housekeeping in our hand. Housekeeping in our hand, we have to complete all the things. Whatever we are taking in our hand means all things we have to complete. And that I am very thankful to all the staffs here. All staffs are sensible and supportive and good at the working. The Sarath is also a bright future. He is very bona fide and nice, and Avinav is also very perfect man. He is also, he thought lots of things and never oh sir, why you are giving so much this dog. But every time, whenever I give him, he is just only feeling. I surprise. I don't want to say in front of you. Actually, I have worked in so many branches. So, but he is nice. Really is a nice clerk. He is a bright future, but he don't want to take the promotion. He is not taking it. But I wish he will take the promotion and he will go to the. Anita is also new, no problem, but his accuracy, all thing is okay. No.
Anita where promotion?
Anita. Suma Sundar is also like a elder brother of all of you, and he is also taking care of all things. Any matter coming with, he comes to me and that sir, he is not able to tell to you, sir, kindly you sanction and kindly you do. Actually, I am free to all, but somebody is thinking that I am not able to speak in front of the but Somasundar is taking care all the award stuff. So he is also a nice person, calm person, never complained, never did anything. And that Vignesh is also very good, very calm person. But only one my complaint is that he is not shouting to anyone. So if any bad customer is come, he should side to the bad customer. So you make it. This is not my fault. This is your fault, and you are creating pressure to me. He is taking pressure to the from the customer. Why I will suffer from? You are a bad customer, and you are not paying the bank loan, and I am mobilizing to you, and I am suffering from it. Sometimes so many cases he forwarded to me. Just I feel that oh wow, this stupid customer is coming here that for the loan. So that actually this is the banking here. Your nature, I believe, no problem. This is your nature. But what this is the banking requirement. If you are sitting on a management table, means you should tell lie also. Sometimes we have to tell. Actually,
You told directly rejecting means you are being a wall between me and manager.
Ah.
You are directly rejecting like they are not believing stuff.
no, my suggestion, I mean, what you thought, no problem. Never I thought this like. So, but this is my suggestion. Okay, sometimes you have to create pressure on the customer, but you are taking all the pressure from the customer. So this is my suggestion. Ki, cool person, calm person, this is okay. But banking is different thing. Suppose you are not taking the promotion, this is not no problem. But sometimes if requirement is like ki you will have to take the promotion, that time you have to sit on the chamber, that time this like decision you will have to take. So that's my side opinion. So and that Nitish is also nice person, but he is always avoiding the credit work. But that I am thinking that next year he is going. I think after 2 years now he will be eligible for the promotion of skill 2. That time where he will go, I will ask from him. Now you are not involving or not taking interest for learning. Actually, he is perfect in admin work. No, this is no doubt. So he is pakka for admin work, but he should learn credit side also. Actually, future is there. Na. Suppose I will have to sit to the that chamber means when I will sit that time I will if any customer comes to me and they will ask so many queries. If I am confident means I will immediately I can take the decision. If I am not confident means how I will take the decision that this loan I can sanction or not. Actually, bank is not a rocket science. Already predefined all circular all things is there. If you are following that circular 2-3 application you are doing, you will be the year free. When Vignesh come, you told when he joined this bank and now you, I am feeling that you are now much confident.